Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about hobbies today.
Hobbies. Oh, I like this topic already.
Me too. It feels warm and happy.
Yes, it does. And wow, episode 60 today. 60 episodes.
That makes me proud. Thank you, everyone, for learning with us.
Yes, thank you so much. Today, we're talking about hobbies in a very simple and clear way. Easy words, slow speaking, real conversation.
Just like two friends sitting in a coffee shop and talking.
Exactly. So, Zoe, let me ask you something simple. What is a hobby?
Okay, a hobby is something you like to do in your free time. You do not get paid for it. You do it because you enjoy it.
That is a perfect explanation. Simple and clear.
Thank you. What about you?
For me, a hobby is something that gives me energy. Even if I am tired, when I do my hobby, I feel better.
Oh, I like that. It gives you energy.
Yes, sometimes work takes energy. Hobbies give energy back.
That is very true.
So what is your hobby these days?
These days, I really love painting.
Painting? Like with colors and a brush?
Yes, simple watercolor painting, nothing fancy.
When did you start?
Honestly, I started during a stressful time in my life. I felt worried about many things: work, family, money. My mind was always busy.
I understand that feeling.
One day, I bought cheap paint and paper. I sat at my kitchen table. I painted a small blue sky and a tree. It was not perfect, but while I was painting, my mind became quiet.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. And after that day, I painted a little every weekend. Now it is part of my life.
That is beautiful. What about you? What is your hobby now?
I still love playing guitar.
Oh, yes, you do. I started when I was 16. I wanted to learn one song, just one.
Did you learn it?
After many weeks, yes. My fingers hurt, I made mistakes. My mom told me to stop playing the same song again and again.
That is funny.
But when I finally played it well, I felt so proud. I remember smiling alone in my room.
That proud feeling is special.
It is. Hobbies give us small victories.
I agree. Small wins are important.
Now, before we go deeper into today's main topic, we want to say something important.
Yes, please. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button.
It helps us a lot, really.
We want to help more people learn English in a simple and fun way.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you so much for your support.
Okay, now let's go deeper into talking about hobbies in daily life.
Yes, because this is a very common topic in English conversation.
That's right. When you meet someone new, they often ask, "What are your hobbies?"
Or, what do you like to do in your free time?
Exactly. So let's practice how to answer.
Okay. Zach, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play guitar and sometimes go hiking.
Oh, hiking too?
Yes, I love nature. Walking in the mountains helps me think clearly.
I went hiking once. I was tired after 20 minutes.
That is normal.
But I remember the fresh air. It felt clean.
That is one reason people enjoy outdoor hobbies. Fresh air, sunshine, movement.
Yes, hobbies can be indoor or outdoor.
Indoor hobbies like reading, cooking, drawing.
Outdoor hobbies like running, cycling, gardening.
Do you think everyone needs a hobby?
I think yes, even a small one.
Why?
Because life can become only work and responsibilities. Hobby time is me time.
That is powerful. Me time.
Yes, time just for you. No pressure, no boss, no grades.
I love that.
Can I share a small personal story?
Of course.
My father loves fishing. Every Sunday morning, he wakes up early, very early, even in winter.
Wow.
He goes to the lake with his simple fishing rod. Sometimes he catches fish, sometimes he does not.
And he still goes?
Yes, because for him, it is not about the fish. It's about the quiet water, the sunrise, the calm feeling.
That's deep.
Hobbies are not always about results. They are about the experience.
I think many English learners can learn that sentence. Can you say it again slowly?
Hobbies are not always about results. They are about the experience.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Some people say, I don't have time for hobbies. What do you think about that?
I understand that feeling. Life is busy, but even 10 minutes a day is possible.
10 minutes?
Yes, read one page, draw one small picture, practice guitar for 10 minutes. Small steps matter.
Small steps lead to big change.
Exactly.
I also think hobbies help with confidence.
How?
Because when you learn something new, you prove to yourself that you can grow.
Oh, yes, that is true.
When I learned a difficult guitar chord, I felt stronger, not physically, but inside.
Inside strength.
Yes,
Hobbies can also help you make friends.
that's right. If you join a class or a club, you meet people with the same interest.
Shared interest makes conversation easy.
Exactly. If you both love photography, you can talk for hours about cameras and light.
Or if you both love cooking, you can share recipes.
Hobbies create connection.
I like that sentence.
Me too.
So, what advice would you give to someone who feels shy about starting a hobby?
I would say it's okay to be a beginner. Everyone starts at zero.
Yes, nobody is perfect at the beginning.
And do not compare yourself to others on social media.
That is important. Online, people show their best work, not their first messy tries.
Exactly.
I still have my first painting. It looks very simple, but I keep it to remember my start.
That's sweet.
It reminds me that growth takes time.
Hobbies teach patience.
Yes, they do.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners some simple example sentences they can use.
Good idea.
Zach, in my free time, I enjoy...
My favorite hobby is...
I started this hobby when...
It makes me feel...
These are very useful patterns.
Practice saying them out loud.
Okay, Zoe. Final question. What does your hobby mean to you?
My hobby is my quiet place. When I paint, I feel calm and free. It reminds me that life is not only about being busy, it's about enjoying small moments.
That is beautiful. For me, guitar is like an old friend. When I feel sad, I play. When I feel happy, I play. It listens to me without judging.
That is such a human thing to say.
Hobbies are small but powerful.
Yes, they add color to life.
So, dear listeners, think about your hobby, or think about one you want to try.
Start small, be patient, enjoy the process.
And remember, learning English can also be a hobby.
Yes, and you are already doing it right now.
Thank you for spending your time with us today on episode 60.
We appreciate you so much.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep enjoying your hobbies.